Hi, this is Pavitra, nutritionist and health consultant. Through our channel Health Support 360, we are discussing health related, nutrition related topics, and this is the immune boosting superfood season. Today's topic is garlic. In part 1, I have already discussed about the medical benefits and the properties of garlic. You can go and watch it. The link is in the description box. In part 2, I'm making 2 easy, tasty and healthy recipes with garlic.
The first recipe today we are going to make is garlic chutney. The ingredients we need for this is garlic. I've taken around 10 pieces garlic cloves of this size, and the coconut is almost the same quantity. I have curry leaves here, then around 8 peppercorns and lemon, salt to taste. I've blended the garlic, peppercorns, curry leaf and coconut in the blender jar without adding any water, and it's ready here. And for this quantity of chutney, half of this lemon juice will be good enough. I made the seasoning with the mustard seeds, urad dal and red chili. Wow, how beautiful this chutney looks now. This chutney can be eaten with idli, dosa, rotis, and even with the rice. This can be eaten with a little ghee. It is easy, tasty and healthy. Tastes awesome. You should all enjoy it and try it. The second recipe we are going to make today is garlic coconut milk. The ingredients for this recipe is I have taken 2 cloves of garlic of this size. So I am going to make this milk serving 1 adult. So this is fresh homemade coconut milk. I've taken nearly 100 ml. And here I have some spices, black pepper, dry ginger powder and long pepper. So all these spices have lots of medicinal properties and benefits, and I have turmeric here. Just a pinch of all these spices will do. And for sugar substitute, we have palm sugar, coconut palm sugar here. You can use anything of your choice that's available to you. For coconut milk, you can substitute with any milk of your choice, like almond milk or hemp milk, rice milk or even cow's milk. I'm adding in the coconut milk here in the pot. Make sure the coconut milk is little watery in consistency. Thick milk like the coconut cream should not be heated or boiled. I've crushed the garlic here, 2 cloves of garlic. I am adding it to the pot. Let this boil for, not boil, almost simmer for a couple of minutes so that the garlic will be soft. Now can you see the bubbles starting to come on the sides of the pot? This is the time you add all the spices. I'm adding in the turmeric, dry ginger powder, black pepper and the long pepper, and give it a stir. I'm adding the palm sugar, the garlic is nicely cooked, the milk is ready. Now I am turning off the switch.
Refreshing, healthy, delicious garlic coconut milk is ready now. Hope you liked our 2 recipes with garlic today. Like, share and subscribe us. Follow us on Facebook. If you have any doubts or questions to discuss with me, you can email us. The email is in the description box below. Stay safe, stay healthy.